We are back, and now it's time for some fabulous sweets. Okay, sweets. Let's face it, if sweets is what you're in charge of for the next couple of days as we're getting into the holidays, that would be me that would be in charge. Jonathan Tamara, president of San Bernardino Ice Cream, is here with some holiday ice cream desserts you can make. It's real simple. You've made it easy for us.
That's it. We are a company that specializes in making fun and delicious flavors, but we also make really simple, nice baked goods that go along with it. So when you're at home for the holidays, you can have those upscale desserts that you get in a restaurant right at your house, and it's just easy. So we make giant cookies and we make giant brownies.
I think so.
And as you can see,
this is cool.
This is really giant.
Really easy. You just make a giant brownie sandwich.
Look at this. It's like the size of my face.
Right. Listen, we believe that ice cream desserts the holidays. It is. But it's all supposed to be fun, right? All you need is a friend and a fork.
And the ice cream at San Bernardo is also good for milkshakes, correct?
The ice cream is great for milkshakes. What we have here for you ladies to try, this is just an old school mame batido Cuban style.
Oh,
batido. Look at that.
San Bernardo is actually a 150-year-old.
Let's Lady in the Trumpet.
It's a 150-year-old Cuban dairy. My dad took over the company about 45 or 47 years ago. We used anybody who's from old school Little Havana that's in their 60s or whatever is going to remember all the little halado shops that we used to have on the streets. And then the other thing we have is, so we have this all-natural premium line of San Bernardo Escapes.
Put it in there.
Right?
Fill her up.
We unveiled this at the South Beach Food and Wine Festival when we kicked it off.
Where can people find the ice cream?
Right now, we are available online and in a couple of smaller grocery stores kind of around the community.
Is there alcohol in this?
There is. I was trying to tell you. You asked me a question. So we unveiled this at the South Beach Food and Wine Festival. This is our New York cheesecake ice cream with macadamia nut rum.
Can I get it at Publix?
You can't get it at Publix yet. They're actually looking at the category right now. If anybody out there wants to give Lakeland a phone call and say, I need San Bernardo in there, I don't know that I would complain too much.
All right, head to our website for more information.